all, my name is Erica Clements and I'm a senior economist with Bright MLS. Showing activity in the Mid-Atlantic was higher for the week ending August 24th compared to a year ago, with 7.3% more showings than last year. This is also the first week that showings surpassed their 2023 levels for a non-holiday week. You can find more information about new listings, purchase contracts, and prices through the full weekly report available on brightmls.com/research. Beyond housing data, we encourage you to stay up to date on economic news. Bright's chief economist, Dr. Lisa Sturdivant, will break it down, and her intel is available on Bright's website as well as their social media channels. Please be sure to like and follow.